Welcome back. Today we're talking about something often overlooked, the emotional and practical benefits of pumping breast milk. Pumping gives reassurance. Seeing milk expressed reminds you that your body is nourishing your baby. It also provides flexibility in family life. Partners can participate in feeding, strengthening bonding, and shared responsibility. Having stored milk reduces anxiety during appointments, errands, or emergencies. For mothers facing temporary separation from their baby, pumping maintains milk supply and connection. Pumping also supports mothers whose babies are in neonatal care. Expressing milk ensures babies still receive breast milk even if direct feeding is delayed. Emotionally, having options builds confidence. You are prepared. You are organized. Breast pumps are tools of empowerment that support breastfeeding goals while adapting to real life.